Hello, my name is Leilany, and this is today we're opening squishy journals. As you can see, there's a squishy right in the journal. It's called a squishy journal because there's a squishy in the middle. And mine says "Do not worry" because it's a donut, and worry, kind of like do not worry. Then hashtag squad goals. Hers says one tough cookie, but the stickers are blocking it. Okay, and then she has a little cookie. And a cookie.
It says back here.
Yeah, go back. One tough cookie. It has like a little muscles. Then it's just like mine with the pen and sticker. Here's a closer look at the box, and on the back is what's in the box, and sticker, a pen, and a notebook. So let's go start it to open this. This looks so fun.
They have a squishy in it.
In the blue, we have my little journal. There's squishy on it. And it has pages. Blank
Taking off
pages.
this tape.
There's tape on them? Oh yeah, there's tape. Then a pen.
Oh,
I'm gonna draw something real
fast.
fast. I'm gonna draw something real fast. Oh dang, I forgot to take off the lid.
Take that butt tape.
What does yours have, Mia?
Mine has blank pages.
Oh, okay. Let me see your stickers.
This one's upside down, the taco, and this is the little better looking. I have more. You gonna start?
Yeah, you do something. Your little sister.
Can I see?
Okay, now to take on my tape.
I already took off everything.
Tape.
I already took off everything. Tap. Donut.
I want to put this waffle and hashtag mood because I feel like these two go together.
And I feel like this one goes together.
The cookie and the donut. I think.
Oh
that
look,
they go.
hers is darker than mine. Hers is blue and mine's blue, purple. Okay, so I'm gonna put this waffle on the back right here. Aww. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my mood. Hashtag mood.
I'm gonna put some on the back. I'm gonna do this one.
Right here on the bottom.
Oh, there's pizza. Pizza. I'm gonna put pizza.
Hashtag mood.
Where there's a pizza.
Ta-da!
Hashtag pizza.
Do I have pizza?
Oh yeah, I do.
About you. Oh, this one's cute. It says, because they're like peanuts, so it says nuts about you. It has a little heart there and a little heart. This is funny. Okay,
Oh, man,
I heart you a latte. Huh? Avocado. It says squad goals.
I'm doing that.
Oh, it's a lemon and a lemonade because lemonades are made out of lemon, so it makes so much sense. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put LOL in the front.
Where's that one?
It's on the other. LOL.
I love dolls.
Here, put LOL under the donut's feet.
Oh, look at this one.
It says true love, huh? A hamburger's true love. Whatever. Oh, this thing. That's good. Look at waste. Okay. So now,
I'm gonna do. Look at this little pizza.
oh, this one? Oh, yeah, it's a pizza. Where's the taco? I only have one taco. Big pizza.
I picked my big
A smoothie. A smoothie. A pink smoothie. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put a sticker.
I'm gonna put it right here.
I'm gonna put this one
I'm gonna put some inside.
right here.
Just next to me. Oh. I'm gonna do something.
Twins.
I think this is good.
I don't really like the donut squish because it's like literally you have to squish it like to draw on. It's so hard though. Okay, I'm gonna draw. I skipped these pages for right now because like it's hard. Okay.
Okay.
What should I draw? Should I draw an eye? Should I draw an eye?
I'm drawing me, and then I'm gonna put this on the table, and then we do it.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do an eye.
You always do an eye.
No, I'm gonna try to copy this taco. Okay, let's see how it comes out for me.
Okay, and then I'm gonna get my drink. The pinky. Okay, here's my drink.
What is it?
Avocado doing yoga.
Did you read it? It says avocado.
Like cardio, avocado.
I'm gonna put it right there where I eat.
So this is what you make, yeah?
Right now I'm trying to copy this
Explain your
taco.
picture.
So this is the table where I'm gonna eat, and this is me eating my smoothie and my
Waffle. Thank you, Leilany.
I'm trying to copy the taco one here. Just
The taco.
Oh, I'm gonna draw my mom on the table too. She's drinking coffee with the hot dog.
The hot dog looks like evil. Look. Looks evil. Okay, this is kind of okay. So beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna draw some red tomato. Here's my tomato. I don't even know what I'm doing. Then we're gonna do a cheese right here. Oh. I'm gonna do like a half slice right here. Coming out of the taco, and then like a little pointy from here. So thank you for watching this video. It is very fun to be with you guys today. We are coming up with a few new videos in a few days. So if you want to see more videos, just comment down below for more ideas for us to do for you guys. So we love you very much. See you guys. Toodles. Bye.
My baby brother drinking a lemonade.
Lemonade.
And a pizza, a baby pizza.
Oh wait, we have a baby pizza. I never knew that. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. I never saw it there. Okay. This squishy's so fun to play with. It's so soft though. Wow. This kind of matches my bracelet.
And the lotion in the back. And you can never take it off.
No house.